Hi, I'm Chris, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice. Today I'll be showing you how to install AgentSync and get connected with Sugar. The first thing you'll need to do is go to lightspeedvoice.com/download. From here you'll click on the AgentSync setup. A file named agentsyncsetup.zip will download. Once it's finished, open and run the installer within it. You may see a prompt for Windows protected your PC. Click More Info and then Run Anyway if you see this. You should now see the AgentSync installer. Click Next and then Next again. Once the install is complete, click Close. After it's installed, you'll need to open AgentSync and input your credentials. These should have been provided to you by Lightspeed Voice, but if you don't have them, send an email to help@lightspeedvoice.com with this request. Select the circle for Other, enter your credentials, and then input the link for your AMS CRM URL provided by Sugar. Click OK once this is complete. The box should disappear, and if everything was entered correctly, it will stay in the background. If there's any error, it'll reopen and let you know. Now when you receive a call and answer it, you'll get a pop-up from Sugar with any available customer information. This has been setting up AgentSync with Suite CRM, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice.